products and breakdowns and byproducts and breakdowns too.
With regards to Mr. Thorbush, have you investigated similar forensic scenarios to the one taking place today, or that took place, being investigated today in the past?
Well, I have investigated many similar forensic scenarios. I've also written my dissertation on many cases which are very similar to the one we are in today.
Now, have you testified in court before?
I testified plenty of times in court.
And what percentage of those would you say have been for the defense?
It would have been 50-50 prosecution defense.
Okay, at this point I'd like to enter Dr. Tolman as an expert in toxicology, pharmacology, and forensic investigation.
Any questions from the state before the court makes that determination?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, then he is an expert and may render opinions about matters within his field of expertise.
Have you investigated the case involving Mr. Thorbush?
Yes, I have.
Have you come to any opinions or conclusions about this case?
I have formulated my opinion about Mr. Thorbush's case.
Can you please state that opinion?
Well, I believe that Mr. Thorbush died from a heart attack.
Okay. What materials have you used to lead you to this conclusion?
Well, I've used toxicology and autopsy reports in coming to my conclusion.
And what did those show you?
Well, the autopsy showed me that Mr. Thorbush died from a heart attack, and the toxicology told me what was in his body at the time of his death. Especially interesting was the adrenaline levels, which were at 0.33 milligrams per deciliter.
What would have caused the adrenaline levels to be at that level?
Well, normally, adrenaline is found in trace amounts of 0.001 milligrams per deciliter to 0.03 milligrams per deciliter, but it's found in really high concentrations here, which leads me as an expert to believe that it was very likely there because of the drug fixed your heart.